My name is Walter L. Robinson, and this is the continuous magazine on the water shoe. And we went through some materials before, and we're constantly going through finding new materials and presenting the new materials to our YouTube audience. And today we're going to work on our third book, which is Gavin Menzies, the year China discovered America. And so this material is based on this book, but in recent times, Gavin Menzies his material has been questioned. And so what happened, PBS decided to do a story on Gavin Menzies and try to clear up basically some of the shortcomings that in little things here and there that was associated with his work. So the PBS film is basically in two parts. The first part is relatively solid, hard documentary materials on China's epic voyage, its fleet of 300 ships that sailed from China, and it circumnavigated the Earth. However, we are concerned about it's kind of moving down through the eastern part of the world, the old world, and we are kind of getting into that mainly because this is associated more so with the water shoes, and the controversial part is going into the Atlantic Ocean, and we're going to look at that a little bit later. But in the meantime, what we're going to do is get a chance to try to plug our book real quick. This is my book, and we've tried to plug this book several times before. The Water Shoe, A Serious Work, and we're showing the water shoes here. This is one of Leonardo da Vinci's drawings of water shoes, and we're looking for the origin of the water shoes. And of course, you can find this book on Amazon.com, and we hope that you get a chance to maybe buy the book, because the more you do, the more we can do. And the more you do, the more we are influenced by what you do as far as supporting this site, the Water Shoe, A Serious Work, and we appreciate your patronage to the site. And so we've been at this for a while, and hopefully as long as you're interested, then, because we will continue this, what we consider to be a magazine, wherein it's a continuous material as we find new materials about water shoes associated with water shoes. Then we would keep making films and presenting it to you. I think this series is MNO and it's usually 16 pieces, so we're going to be running more or less 16 pieces. Then we'll look into some other material, and I think we have some more books. The next book will be probably maybe Leonardo, a little in-depth, and we'll talk about that, because Gavin Menzies in his book 1421 is talking about the voyage. Then his second book 1434 is kind of talking about Leonardo da Vinci, and maybe he's saying that Leonardo plagiarized a lot of his stuff, but that's another book, and that's another time. So these sections are going to be bunched up in about 5-minute pieces, and we're going to try to work from there. So we're going to take a quick one, and we'll be right back.